Okay, so the last thing that we're going to talk about here is commission rate. And if you look over here, we have percents at work. So I'm going to talk about commission and what commission means. So if you aren't sure, commission is the amount a person makes from a large sale. So the example that I like to talk about that most of us understand is a car salesperson. Typically, they make money off of the cars they sell. So $1,000, if they sell something for $1,000 and they earn 25%, that means that they earn $250 on that sale. That's their commission. That's what they make. And then a commission rate is what it sounds like. Commission rate, think about a rate. We can write rates as ratios or percentages or decimals. So our rate here is commission rate, the rate in which a person earns from a large sale. So in my example here, 25% is my rate. That's what they make. And there are different types of jobs. Sometimes we have commission only, which means they just make their commission rate times their sales. That's one thing. The other the other way that people get paid, sometimes they get a base pay and then they get their commission added on to that. So it's their rate times their sales, and then they add that to a base pay. So we're going to look at both types of examples on this next section here. When I open up, you can see percent times the whole equals the part, or commission rate is the decimal form, times the sales, which is the whole number that they pay, is equal to the commission, which is the part that they earn. So example number 1, a real estate agent is paid a monthly base salary of $900 plus commission. So plus means to add. Base salary is an important word for me. $900 is the base plus commission. Last month he sold one condominium for $65,000, earning 4% commission on the sale. So he earned 4% of $65,000. How much was his commission? Well, let's find 4% of $65,000 first. So I'm going to multiply 0.04 times 65,000. Pull out my calculator. And I get $2,600. And that's how much his commission was. That's question 1, commission, $2,600. What was his total pay? Well, he got paid $900 as a base plus his commission, so plus $2,600. So $2,600 plus $900 gives me $3,500, or $3,500 is how much he made total. So total pay is $3,500. Example 2 is going to talk about an example without a base salary. Melanie is a realtor in a beach community and earns 3% commission on all sales, but no salary, no base pay. Last week she sold a waterfront cottage for $647,000. How much did she earn on the sale? Well, she earned 3% of this amount. Of means to multiply, so I'm going to put 3% of $647,000. I'm going to use my calculator to multiply, and I get $19,410. I add a label, make sure I don't need to round to the nearest cent, and I'm good to go.